Hello and good morning. Today I am at the 21st Annual Elder Abuse Conference in Syracuse, New York. It is called See Something, Say Something, Intervening in the Case of Elder Abuse. It is at the Doubletree Hotel and it is presented by the Syracuse Area Domestic and Sexual Violence Coalition's Elder Justice Committee. Registration is from 8 to 9. 9 to 10 is keynote address, and then from 10 to 4 are workshops and lunch.
Registration was efficient and fast. There was also a continental breakfast available. From there, we moved into the conference room and heard some opening remarks by Jenny Ackley of Vera House and the Evergreen Network. Alan Berkowitz gave the keynote address.
We just finished the keynote address given by Alan Berkowitz, and now the hotel is setting up for the beginning of the workshops.
Between the workshops, there was plenty of time to check out the vendors and network. Over 250 people attended the conference.
So we just finished lunch, and I'm looking for someone to tell me what they think about the conference today. So let me see if I can find someone. Hey ladies!
Hi.
Good. Is there any way I can get you to tell me, just answer a couple questions about the conference today?
Sure.
Okay, great. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Sam Byer.
Hi, Sam.
Hi.
Have you ever been to the conference before?
No, I haven't. First
Okay.
time.
Do you feel like it's been beneficial so far today?
Very beneficial.
Okay. Did you like the keynote?
I did.
Okay, great.
I did.
Thank you.
Very informative.
How about you?
Hi, I'm Rebecca Verdino.
Hi, Rebecca. Did you enjoy the conference today?
I did.
Do you have more workshops to go to still?
Yes, there's 2 more left.
Okay.
Looking forward to it. Yeah.
Do you feel like it's worth your time to come back to the conference?
Yes, I'll be back next year.
So the conference is over. It was very loud inside, so I thought I'd wrap up here in the car. Actually, the last couple workshops were just as good as the first ones. I learned all about power of attorney and also about the elder abuse places in town where you could call if you happen to notice elder abuse or if you need more information. So that was very helpful. I wanted to say thank you to Jenny Ackley and Alan Berkowitz, who was the keynote speaker, and everyone else who got everything ready for today. It was a great conference, and I'm already looking forward to next year. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.